In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display in normal view in Excel. If your worksheet is currently showing in a different layout, such as page layout or page break preview, switching back to normal view is quick and easy. Normal view is the standard editing view in Excel, and it's the one most people use for entering data, reviewing spreadsheets, and making everyday changes. So if your screen looks unfamiliar or harder to work with, this setting will usually bring it back to the regular worksheet view. First, open your Excel workbook. Make sure you're in the file where you want to return to normal view. Once the workbook is open, look toward the top of the Excel window and click on the View tab. This tab contains several options that control how your workbook appears on screen. After you select the View tab, find the Workbook Views group. In that section, click Normal. As soon as you do that, the worksheet will return to the standard editing view. This is the regular spreadsheet layout where you can easily work with cells, rows, and columns without the extra formatting display that appears in other view modes. If you just need a faster way to make the same change, there's also a shortcut at the bottom of the Excel window. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a set of view buttons there. These usually include Normal, Page Layout, and Page Break Preview. Click the Normal View button and Excel will immediately switch back to the standard worksheet display. That's all you need to do. If you're ever confused about why your spreadsheet looks different than usual, it's often because Excel was switched into another view mode by accident. Knowing these two ways to return to normal view can save time and make the worksheet easier to use again. The View tab method is helpful when you want to clearly see all workbook view options, while the bottom right button is great when you want a quick one-click fix. When you're back in normal view, you can continue editing your spreadsheet as usual. This is typically the best view for day-to-day work, especially if you're entering data, adjusting formulas, or organizing information. And that's how to display a normal view in Excel.